Did you know that OHSM can also be used for personal development plans? My name is Paula Mali, and in this video I will help you set up yours in 5 easy steps. The first step is to write your objective by using the what by how format. Define what you want to achieve, which could be feeling more fit and confident. Then say how you want to achieve this. I would say this is by working on body and mind. To achieve this, I take a general strategic direction, and in this case I will be then focusing on exercising regularly, eating healthy, resting sufficiently, and working on mindfulness. Now, let's make this quite ambitious vision more concrete by turning it into measurable goals. Ask yourself what specific things need to happen for me to be more fit and confident. For instance, you can measure your objective of becoming more fit and confident by deciding upon a well-being score and aiming for the score to be above 8.0. As for the do part, you can set goals such as getting to your target weight. To make sure the plan stays clear and simple, it's good to divide your key doing strategy into a few underlying strategies. Please limit yourself to 5 strategies, as this will help keep everything concise and on one page. In this case, we focus the strategies on different areas that influence your physical and mental health. By selecting a focused set of strategies and aligning them with relevant areas of your life, you can effectively work on your plan while maintaining clarity and coherence. Then it comes to measuring progress. There are 2 types of indicators to consider. First, there are the lagging indicators. These are connected to the action measures and help set goals and measure the effect of the actions. For example, in your personal development plan, a lagging indicator could be the positivity index of an 8.0 or higher. Then there are the leading indicators. These focus on measuring the progress of the actions. For instance, I here have a strategy to grow on a personal level by practicing positive thinking, surrounding myself with supportive people, and practicing mindfulness. A leading indicator could be that I attend a mindfulness workshop at least once a week. If you use both these indicators, you get a complete picture of your progress. When creating action measures, it's handy to once again use the what by how format. These actions are connected to each strategy in an OHSM plan and are usually executed as projects. The progress of these projects are measured through the dashboard measures. Action measures are specific to each strategy and should be linked to at least one dashboard measure to monitor the project effectiveness. For instance, scheduling each morning between 7:30 and 8 o'clock for mindful practice contributed to my happiness, which is then measured through the positivity index. It's important to note that action measures are separate from regular operations, as these are set to achieve your specific goals. The column containing action measures is the most interchanging part of the OHSM plan and should be regularly updated to track progress and ensure alignment. To make your action measures more achievable, break them down into smaller steps. When we say an action measure is a project, it means it takes time and effort to complete. For instance, when I would set an action measure to practice positive affirmations daily and to surround myself with supportive people, I can divide this into smaller tasks or steps. This could then be that I plan dates with people that make me feel good about myself. By using this approach, your OHSM plan is realized step by step. This is then the end of this short video. I hope that this gives you inspiration to make your own personal development plan with OHSM. And overall, this video was aimed to give you a better understanding of how OHSM works. May you have any further questions, feel free to contact us. You can email us at info@ohsmsoftware.com. Thank you for watching and good luck with your OHSM.